Best bread maker. Enter the modern bread machine by simply adding all ingredients into it and pushing a few buttons. It does the rest of the work for you, making the bread making process quicker and easier. Here we looked at factors such as extra features, loaf capacity, and gluten-free settings to compile our list of the best bread machines for every kind of bread lover. So let's start by number 1. Breadman 2LB Professional Bread Maker. Choose from 14 unique bread settings to enjoy bakery result at home. This 2-pound bread maker is easy to use thanks to the digital display, pre-programmed settings, and a fruit and nut dispenser that automatically adds extra at the right time. You will get great result using the 14 baking functions, which includes low-carb, gluten-free, and artisan dough. You can choose the size loaf you're making, 1.5 lb or 2 lb, and how you want the crust to turn out, light, medium, or dark. Number 2. Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker. The smartest bread maker ever. There's nothing like waking up to a freshly baked loaf of a bread. But when there are 60 different recipes to choose from, how do you make sure you get it right? A very clever interface computes temperature and baking time when you make the section, while a super easy turn and confirm dial gets you started on any recipe in seconds. Number 3. Cuisinart Bread Maker. Everyone loves homemade bread, but not everybody has time to make it. Let Cuisinart to do it for you. Our versatile and compact automatic bread maker offers a variety of crust, color, and loaf sizes, as well as 12 pre-programmed menu options. Foolproof recipe includes everything from gluten-free and artisan bread to jams and sauces. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 2LB Digital Bread Maker. White, wheat, sourdough, country, French, or even homemade jam, the home baker bread machine from Hamilton Beach will do it all. Making artisan breads at home has never been easier or more foolproof. Whatever your taste prefers or dietary needs, you can satisfy them with a Hamilton Beach Home Bread Maker bread machine. Developed with nutrition in mind, it features settings such as gluten-free and whole grain so you can bake wholesome breads using a variety of flours. In addition to bread, you can make pizza dough, cake, jam, flatbread, and croissants. Number 5. Oster Express Bake Bread Maker. Fresh baked bread is a favorite in your home, gently filling the air with an enticing aroma and satisfying everyone's taste bud. The electric bread maker bakes a 2-pound loaf in less than an hour with an express baker cycle. Use the 13-hour delay time for customized bake time. Effortlessly mixes, kneads, rises, and bakes up to 2 pounds of loaf of bread all in one unit. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.